loves, welcome or welcome back to the Coco Swatches YouTube channel. My name is Ofune and I'm the founder of Coco Swatches. I'm the face behind it, behind the arm, in case you were wondering, in case you follow me on my other channels. So yeah, anyways, moving right along. So today we are going to get into this eye look. It is a very simple eye look, but I don't think I've ever had as many requests on this eye look as I've had. I've never had this many requests for an eye look, and this is probably the easiest eye look I've ever done in my life. Like honestly, like y'all, it's really simple. So I decided to film it for you all, and hopefully it helps you, kind of inspires you to try out a look like this. And yeah, I mean, there's really not much to say about it, so let's just jump right on in.
So first, I'm starting off with my eyeshadow base. This is from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna have every single thing that I use in the description bar below, but yeah, I'll have the exact name, but that's my makeup base, my eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going in with my bronzer. So whatever shade bronzer you use for the step. Today I'm going in with Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty in a large fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to the crease, making sure to kind of drag that all the way to the nose bone, all the way to the outside of the brow bone, so just that whole area. And I'm just really just gonna play up this area and build up that bronzer color, paying special attention to the center of the crease there, and like darkening it up with the bronzer, so like kind of like a light wash of color, and then just adding it a little bit more. So next we have the liquid shadow, which really contributes to the ease of this look. This one is from Huda Beauty. I do have an alternative here from Wet n Wild that is cheaper, and I know there are some issues people have with Huda Beauty. I've had some of those same issues. I think they're going in the right direction though, I will say that. So yeah, I don't want to get too much into that. Basically, a liquid matte shadow is what you need for this step. And really, I'm just applying that product right onto the eye with the brush that it comes with, and then I'm blending it out. This is a Salazzi crease brush. So I'm just blending out the product into the bronzer. Now, I'm doing this very kind of non-precisely to show you how easy it is to achieve this type of look, but like you can be more precise with it, obviously. But yeah, this is essentially the whole look. It's that liquid matte shadow and then the bronzer. So I just use the bronzer to kind of deepen out the corner of the eye. So next is the liner. This is the other kind of half of it, really, is a wing liner. So you want to get a wing liner that is super black. For me, the Urban Decay Perversion line has some of the blackest eyeliners on the market. If you're not comfortable with using a felt tip, I'll give you another option in a moment here, but I'm going ahead with this felt tip liner from Urban Decay. It is from their Perversion line, and I'm just creating the wing. Now I'm going to show you a little secret in a minute on how to kind of achieve a wing if you are a little bit intimidated by it. So essentially, I'm creating the shape that I think I want, and I'm just taking my time to do that. But in order to be actually even more precise, oh wait, before I go into that, so this is the other option if you don't like a felt tip. This is the Extra Intense Liquid Eye Pencil from L'Oreal. It's super black and matte, and I'm going over the Perversion because the Perversion, I think it's supposed to be matte, but it has kind of a satiny finish, whereas this dries down more matte. You just kind of have to be careful with it. So this is the trick. This is a Q-tip dipped in micellar water, and so I'm just using that to really just make the wing sharp as hell and just make it look really clean and just really winged out. The other 1/3 of this look, obviously this is not adding up, but you know what I'm trying to say, is a lash that has kind of that elongated ness to it. So it kind of starts a little bit fluttery on the inside, and it kind of, the lashes get longer as you go out. So I'm just applying some lash primer. You don't have to do this step, it's not absolutely necessary. Lash primer and mascara to my lashes before I apply the falsies. By the way, these falsies are super cheap. And oh yeah, I was showing the brush. This is the L'Oreal mascara. Again, I'll have the official name in the description bar below. But yeah, lashes are super cheap. They're from the beauty supply store. all of the IMB 3D lashes are pretty good. So basically, I was debating on whether to keep this part in, but I'm going to leave it in to show y'all kind of how to apply lashes when you have really curly lashes like mine. If you can't tell, my lashes are super curly. So it's really just about angling them in and making sure the placement is right. So I kind of angled them in to get them as close to the lash line as I possibly can, and then kind of making sure that they are sticking to that section right when I decide where I want them. And then the final step is to press my lashes with the falsies. Now, I will admit sometimes I do accidentally pull my lashes out, but I'm someone that just has a lot of hair, so it's just never been an issue for me. If I pull a lash out, it grows right back. So yeah, that's essentially how I install my falsies, and that is really the look. It's really just that matte shadow, bronzer, and a wing liner, and you are good to go.
So hopefully y'all enjoyed this little simple Cocoa Toot. Hopefully it was simple. I feel like the hardest part of this eye look is the cat wing. Everything else is fairly simple. It just takes practice. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully it helped anyone who was wondering how to achieve this look. It's really easy. The wing, it's just a matter of details. It's, you know, the products being used, getting that wing liner, finding the lash that does have a little bit of a flutter to it to elongate and just make that cat eye even more kind of cat eye-ish, for lack of a better words. Let me stick on my teeth. It always happens to me. So yeah, it's the rest of it though is pretty simple. It's just bronzer, liquid shadow, or liquid lipstick, maybe. You know, don't quote me on that, but I feel like you should be able to get the same effect with a liquid lipstick. I just haven't tried it before. And then doubling up on that eyeliner, finding a really, again, it goes back to the products. It took me a while to find what eyeliner would show up really black on me, so those are the two that I always go to, or are my go-tos. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So let me stop rambling. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below if this is something you would try. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a little like and subscribe to this channel. It really helped me out. And yeah, I think that this is where I'll leave you. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.